who's gonna be safe and not have to eat the nasty one?
Me.
I look you.
We should just rock, paper, scissors for it, like it says.
Like my shirt? Oh, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Drum roll, please.
Whenever he... Ta-da.
All right, so I realized that when I gave you a choice of which country you wanted to do, Brazil or Sweden, I thought you might just pick based on what you know about Brazil or Sweden, and I realized that you probably want to see the candy that you would win from both places, and that might make your decision for you. So we're gonna do a unique, like I guess, an unboxing video. I got 3 helpers.
1, 2, 3.
Correct. This helper is going to open Sweden. This helper is going to open Brazil. And this helper is going to actually open both. It's a smaller box that Mr. Reed gets that
Makes a bigger box.
we can eat. And we're going to let these little ones try something from the small personal box. So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. I said, are you ready?
Yeah.
Don't open yet.
Ow, my nose.
Okay.
Oh, right
Okay.
here.
No. It's right here. Yeah, Brazil. And Brazil. Hold on, let's do these one at a time. Hold on. We need this one open.
That's mine.
Yep, go ahead. All right. These are. Well, hold on here. Okay, you guys are gonna show them at the same time. Show them the green bag. Whoa. Yeah. Don't smash anything. What does the green bag say? So, we'll hold one up to the camera. And it is, oh goodness, cassava chips. Cassava is not very good. This is what it is. Kind of like a potato, but not Mr. Reed's favorite. I ate it when I was in Africa a lot. Next.
Yeah, that's
Hold that up.
too yuck.
What does it look like to you?
Popcorn.
Looks like popcorn?
It smells like popcorn candy.
Sweetened popcorn snack. So, yeah, I guess it's
Yeah.
kind of like popcorn.
It's interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, it is very interesting. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's go with the green bag first.
There is yours. I'm pretty sure the color.
What does it look like?
It looks like chips again. Oh my gosh.
It looks like pizza.
It looks like pizza.
It kind of does look like
Wait,
little
look.
Totino's.
No, it has flavors.
What kind of flavors?
Like pizza too.
It actually does. You're right. It has a pizza flavor. It has
Extra.
bunch of words. I don't know.
These have our.
I know.
I just don't.
Okay, let's
Let me
wait.
just shut the door real fast. Hey, that's mine.
You don't actually have one of these, please. The bigger box comes with more, so hold on one second, okay? Hold on.
Put it down, Kirby, so that you.
That actually does look really good. Honey bread cake.
Honey bread cake. Yummy head. Wait.
Honey bread cake.
That's a lot. And you remember?
What's that one?
Head.
This one is popcorn again.
Popcorn.
And flavors,
popcorn.
it looks like pizza again, bacon, onion, ham.
Thank you.
Some other things there. Yeah, let's show them this. Yep, show them that one.
No, that looks like white chocolate.
You think it's gonna be nummy?
It looks like white chocolate.
These are super duper nummy.
Those are. I think this is white chocolate.
Yeah,
White chocolate with what?
Like strawberry.
Yeah,
You
and
guys are opening way too fast here. Let's figure it out.
I haven't.
So show the camera what you got there, Paige, with this one.
no.
Okay, and I will read for you. White chocolate with strawberries.
Told you.
Show them the orange one. This is
What?
dark chocolate with crispy rice.
Eat it.
It doesn't look very
We're
good.
gonna eat something for sure here.
I need
Wait
to
just 1 minute here.
eat
Wait,
too.
Paige. We got some more chocolate.
I want that. I want.
White chocolate with caramel and banana.
Yummy on that. There's something in the yummy.
Yep. We're gonna get to that in a second.
Not yet. We're gonna get to the yummy on that in a second.
I don't know, these look like muffins. Muffin biscuits?
Okay, show them the green thing real fast because Paisley has the 2 yellow things.
Green thing.
Yeah.
It says fruit full. It's pineapple juice. Okay. What do we got for these?
Okay. Show them here.
Just give me.
What is it?
Kill.
Hey,
Kill.
what are they're nummy? You think everything's nummy
Yeah.
until you try one that you might not like. It says actually, I don't see it in here. I don't see them.
Oh well. Please.
Peanut candy bar.
Peanut candy bar.
Okay, here we go. Here's the time to try it. You ready? Ready?
Yeah?
Okay, we're gonna try some things.
So we haven't opened them.
I know.
Wait, can I try things? Or no?
Yeah, of course.
Yummy
So-
on that.
No.
Yummy on
The
that.
pizza.
Open it.
That looked easy.
Dump it.
Yummy on that.
Oh, Easton's already opening one.
Can I try one?
I gotta make sure that. Let me make sure that you can eat it. He has a food allergy. So do you, Paisley.
I don't have any, so I can just
You gotta make sure that you're good.
I can just put it in my mouth. Can I try it?
Yes, I
Right
think
now?
you're. Hold on. Let me.
I'm fine.
Let me read what it is first. What do you think it is? And no, we gotta go at the same time. Here, Paisley. You don't have any food allergies. It's candy. You're not allergic to anything. Neither is Easton. I just had to make sure. Okay. Let me. Don't eat it.
I eat it.
You eat it already.
1, 2.
Hold on. Let me read what it is first. Lime pie flavored milk caramel. Go. You think it's yucky? Why?
It's actually kind of good.
You like it?
I mean, it's not.
You think it's good, you think it's not bad, and you think it's yucky.
It just tastes
What?
weird. It's not bad.
It tastes weird, but it's not bad. There's actually 2 flavors of this.
I have this one.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
You didn't have the green wrapper? You had the yellow wrapper? Oh, so you had passion fruit. So there's passion fruit.
That's
I'm gonna
just
save.
roll it up.
I'm saving the rest. I'm saving the rest. We can send them out to students. Well, let's open one more, okay?
Okay.
Because they're gonna have a chance to win lots of candy. So let's open one of the popcorns, okay? All right, hold on. Let's open this weird popcorn.
I think that was
Oh, you were ready. Okay. Hold on. Let's take a look at those. What do they look like?
Teeth.
Teeth? They kind of do. That's kind of creepy. Like they really kind of actually do. All right. That's probably a little too close. Are you out? You're not playing? All right, ready?
Oh, I
It says it's sweetened popped corn snack. Go.
It's yucky.
You don't like it?
it's fine.
It kind of.
But I want to eat it.
Hold on.
It just has a weird taste.
I want to eat
Yeah, it kind of
Can I have
tastes
one of those
more
again?
like.
I want to eat it.
It kind of tastes more
Can
like.
I have one of those again? That tasted good.
No, no, no. I gotta save some for students.
Oh, it didn't taste so good, but
It kind of tastes like styrofoam, huh?
It's so good.
But it kind of tastes burnt.
That is yucky.
It kind of tastes burnt, huh?
but I'll basically
Yucky,
eat anything
yucky.
Yeah.
except for
Okay.
things like fruit.
This was a universal kind of not the best.
So yucky.
Are we ready to do the other box?
The other one was
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, that was Brazil.
Oh,
We're gonna open it right now. Here's
da,
the
da,
next
da,
one.
da.
Here is the next one.
What next one?
Okay. Ready?
Get ready.
Almost got it.
Open.
Oh, toast.
Open.
Oh yeah.
No, I got it.
Toast.
I'll move that.
Okay.
Hold on. Don't show yet. I got those. Sit down, bud. You're okay?
Yeah.
You almost fell right off. Were you just so excited?
Yeah.
You're so excited for Sweden?
Yeah, that's fun.
And you fell off.
I think we should do these ones.
Almost fell. Okay. Show them which one you want to show them first.
This one.
Show them that one.
Season.
Don't smash them.
Kim.
Kim's snack chips, and they're super spread original.
Is there a flavor?
Let me look on the back. It doesn't say any flavor.
Go, go.
It just says super spread.
It's the booklet says potato snack with assorted spices. Interesting. Okay, let's put those up here. Where you going, little missy? You wanna what? You don't want to do this one?
You want me
How
to
come?
do both of them?
Because I want to eat it.
All
I'm
right.
gonna do them about.
Easton's gonna help. Go with find your another Kim's.
Let's get these.
Kim's, bud. Right? No, on the top. Yeah.
Okay. Kim's
Show the camera.
American Grill. Kim's
Hello.
American Grill.
Oh, but that.
American Grill. They are potato chips with grill seasoning.
Yes, seasoning.
Let's-
Seasoning, you know. Wow.
Grill seasoning. That's
Hey,
fun.
Dad, do I have to turn it around because there's something?
No,
on
it's
the
fine. It's fine.
Good
Okay.
Seasoning.
back?
Go that
Chocolate.
chocolate chip.
We're gonna get
I have one.
this one. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What you got?
These are Cocoa Flagger.
Cocoa Flacker.
That is what they say. Choco Flagger.
Choco Flagger.
Oh.
And they're
And-
oat cookies with cocoa filling. You ready for the next? He's already ready for the next one. Go.
Okay, where is it?
you
This
got?
one he has. Okay, here it is. Drammer.
Where's this one?
Well, whatever it says.
Yeah, I don't know. That's some Swedish word.
Well, whatever this is what it.
Salted caramel milk chocolate with Crispies.
Wait. It says that on the back.
Yeah, put it down. All right.
Right there. Listen, let's get this pink one.
I don't have a pink one.
You don't?
Mm.
Okay. Let's
Well,
show
let's
them the
get the
pink
blue
one
one.
real quick.
Can I get it? It's a choke. Oh my. Okay. There's 3 of them in here.
It says that it is
Don't show that yet, Easton.
Milk
Show that yet.
chocolate with strawberry and caramel.
Yeah.
Yep, go ahead and show the next one.
So this is Samueliki Nacho. I don't know.
It's not in English, so.
Oh, salty licorice is what.
Salty licorice?
I
That
can-
sounds
oh.
terrible.
Yeah, I can just feel the licorice in there. It's like
So it's licorice, but it's
Salty.
got salt on
on
it.
it.
Oh,
Okay,
salt. I
put
don't
this
like
down.
It's do you think it's red licorice or black licorice? It is black licorice. Salty licorice. It's black licorice with salt.
That one.
No, you're on your last. I
Yep, we'll wait for those till the end. Eden
Okay.
shows this one, and you can show that.
Cool Howland Stat.
Show the camera.
Saddles Griffin Scum.
Those are raspberry gummies. It looks like what's on the picture. What animal is that?
It's looks like a blobfish.
A blobfish.
And these are happy.
Those are chippies?
Yeah.
What kind?
Okay, let me read them. Okay, Kim's Opsai Pops.
Pop.
Cheesy corn puffs. They're like Cheetos.
Yeah, they're basically
Now
cheese.
this is.
Oh, you're back. Okay.
I want to do something.
You can do this one. Show the camera.
See that? That's yucky.
How do you know? You don't even know what they are. Sour cream and onion potato sticks.
Oh, I think those are the.
They're like if French fries and Lay's sour cream and onion.
These are.
Had a baby.
These are.
Baby?
Frax.
One more.
Galliker
Yeah.
or whatever.
Puff pastry
Puff pastry.
with cream filling.
Cream filling.
We're
Okay,
gonna.
so those are.
It's yours. It's actually mine. Do you want me to share with you? Let's break it open and we can share.
Maybe you and Paisley should pull an end.
Ready?
Ready, set.
I'll help. I'll get you started. Oh, you got it. Okay. Let Easton dump it on the table.
Okay. Ooh, these things look cool.
Don't open anything yet, please.
I think I want one of these. I want one of these. This is it. Me too. So
Don't open anything, please.
can we try these ones?
First of all, let's show them. Okay.
Okay, so there's these three.
You
So
got
a pink one and a blue one.
pink. Hold on. So pink and blue. Show them that one again.
Okay, the pink and blue one is.
It is bubblegum toffee, and it says fizzy toffee.
Fizzy toffee. Ooh.
That's interesting.
Like a ball.
Those are cookie dough pralines.
And this toffee, I think it's another one just in a different flavor.
Gingerbread toffee.
Is it fizzy too?
Nope. We're gonna do something different so we can all try. Let's open this one first. So this one is the bubblegum toffee that says fizzy. Go ahead and open it all the way. But don't eat it, just open it.
Wait, can we open this one and this one? Can we all have for all of us?
Well, yeah, let's do one at a time. So
Okay.
it actually does look like, let's get
Kind
it
of
over
a cotton candy.
It's got stripes on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna cut it up.
Mine?
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Is that you?
you get a piece. You get, don't eat it yet. Don't eat it. We're gonna do it at the same time.
Ew.
I didn't eat it.
I know. There's yours. Pace.
Hey, Dad. You know what I'm doing.
Ready?
Hey,
One.
Dad.
Bubblegum fizzy toffee. Is it gonna fizz?
I don't know.
Are you scared? Do you want me to eat your piece then? Really? I'll do it. Yeah. Oh, he's going. Ready? Go.
It actually doesn't fit. Ah, this could have been way too sticky for her teeth.
It kind of tastes like
It's super sticky though.
it's kind of
Weird.
It definitely tastes like bubblegum flavor. The texture is like
Weird.
a taffy.
And it's real.
It is kind of weird.
And it's very sticky.
Yeah.
No, it's twisting because it keeps getting littler and littler. It just doesn't feel like it.
Ready for the next one?
It's real.
Okay, let's see.
But it's supposed to be.
Here.
I'll open it.
Eat it all the way.
Wait, this whole one?
The one that you have, you don't want to mix the flavors.
It's supposed
This is our gingerbread.
No.
It actually,
No.
it tastes weird at first, but then it'll taste really good.
What?
It tastes really good. It just feels weird in your mouth.
Okay, gingerbread toffee.
Let's try it.
Okay. These are probably too sticky for you too for flavor.
Yeah, these are too sticky for cheese.
Sorry.
Yeah, like it would not come out of.
You can try this thing instead. So stand over there. Oh, Issa does not even relate.
That's hot.
It's hard? Is it stuck in your teeth?
Hot. Okay, ready,
Let's see.
set, go.
Yeah, he already started.
Yeah. That's worse.
But,
Sticky.
Grab it.
Okay.
That's
for my
What?
like it's like pulling on your tooth. It pulls on your tooth and it feels really weird.
See?
It does taste like gingerbread. Not a big fan
What does
of
it taste
gingerbread.
like? I know it's
Gingerbread.
sticky.
Gingerbread.
Do you like it or do you not like it?
I don't really like the taste
You
of
don't like it?
gingerbread.
Why?
It's sticky.
Well,
It is sticky, but what does it taste like? Do you like the
it's
taste?
just a little bit spicy. It's weird.
It is a little bit spicy, that's true.
It's like a little bit spicy, but eventually it's not spicy.
How?
I'll take a little bite of it. Well, it's like making a weird mark. I feel like this. Okay.
Oh
Oh,
goodness, I
that's-
tried to cut it in half,
And that is what happened.
and that's what's inside.
So I'll just take some.
Grab a little tiny piece, bud.
Mm,
Okay, Pace, go sit up there.
That's actually
You don't
pretty good.
want to again?
Oh, I have
Alright.
peanut butter in it.
Has peanut butter?
Like a weird peanut butter.
It's not sticky.
Oh, that's not very good.
It's not good?
Oh, not very good.
What kind of praline was it? Cookie dough.
It tastes like peanut butter.
Peanut butter is yucky.
That one was kind of gross.
That's not good.
Not good, not good. I just like the chocolate.
That's not good. Yeah, go for it. All right.
Chocolate's good.
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else you want us
Anything?
to try?
So here's what we're gonna try.
Ooh.
Come here. Come here. You guys get to pick one thing out of the box that you think is gonna be the grossest, and then I will try it.
No.
On
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it.
Hey, it's gonna be fine. You just have to pick. You're not gonna eat it.
Can I try it? No,
Hey.
I wanna pick out what I eat. I wanna pick it out and then I eat it.
I might share it with someone who wants it, but you guys need to pick. You need to pick the grossest one, the nasty one. These are Cheetos. They're probably gonna be okay. So should we go over the options again?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got
It's gonna be liver.
This one, that's gonna be yucky.
we got potato snack with spices, chocolate with salted caramel, black licorice that's salty.
And then iron.
That's what you're voting for?
I'm gonna try
You're
it.
fine. You want to leave? You don't want to see me eat something nasty?
I wanna
Okay.
see. Who wants to see me eat something nasty?
Some of you may have.
No, that's
You want to
spicy,
see
that's not
gross?
Yeah.
You want to see me like maybe throw up?
Yeah.
You want to do the licorice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'll try
We
it.
didn't even get that far
I'll
before
try
we.
it if you try it,
I'm gonna try it first,
and then I'll try it.
and then you guys can both try it if you want.
I'm gonna try it.
So I did get two of these. So one will go to the students. One we're gonna try right now,
And you're gonna watch.
and you're gonna watch. Salty licorice
And then
And it's black licorice.
It is
Probably pretty good.
black licorice.
I don't really even like licorice or black licorice. So I can do that to me, but I'll see. Oh,
It is just a.
big ball of like a big string of
Don't
licorice.
touch it.
Maybe try and pull one.
I don't see any salt.
I don't either.
Oh, I can smell the black licorice.
Okay, I don't even like licorice. That's what
let's eat it, Dad. You got to eat it.
I have to eat it? But what if it's going to be nasty?
I'm gonna eat it.
Sit down
Okay.
so you can watch.
I'm gonna eat it.
All right,
I don't know if
I'm
I'm
just going to
gonna
take a
do
big bite.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
You can spit it out if you want to. What the heck is inside? You can go spit
It's
it out.
salty.
You can go spit it out. Okay, let me try.
Go for it. I wouldn't take a big bite.
Oh, smells gross.
It smells like black
You
licorice.
got to eat it. Eat it.
Don't plug in your nose. That's cheating. Oh, man.
It helps.
I know, but that's cheating. You can't do that.
I can't.
Don't unplug. Don't plug. Unplug. Unplug.
It just smells good.
Eat it. You said you'd eat it.
Yeah.
Don't cover your eyes. Don't cover your. Go. Chew.
I have. Oh, that is gross.
My turn. Now it's my turn.
Whoa.
Chew it. I'm still going.
My turn.
Could I spit it out for me?
My turn. Nanny.
Not until I do.
I think this is Nanny.
You have to. Oh.
Yeah.
Come quick, go spit it out.
Uh huh.
Come spit it out!
Yeah, I gotta spit it out.
That is horrible! Horrible!
Okay, come back and tell them about it. Come here. So it was horrible. It was what?
Spicy.
It was spicy.
Yeah.
What else? What was it? It was spicy. Was it? What did?
No, I want to tell Pacey.
You know, tell the camera first. What was it like? It was spicy and what? What face did you give?
It was.
That's sweet.
Ugh. Do you want to try another bite though?
No.
Are you sure?
I'll do it again.
Are you sure?
No.
We could use this as a punishment, you know. If you don't do your chores, you have to eat some licorice. Eat some licorice. Yeah, that was
really
not. That was.
good. Yeah. How do people eat that?
This is our last one.
Do your best, because I got lots of stuff to give away. Yeah. Do your best,
Do your best.
and
Don't get enough.
don't get a bad grade,
Don't get back away.
and win some. Hopefully, you win some candy.
This is something teddy. And all the time is egg mine.
All right.
Then, so then,
I'm gonna eat another.
hello.
Actually, no.
Okay. Wow. You
Don't be too silly, okay? Okay.
open this.
What button? That is not how you open it. You want my help?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then salty liquid.
Salty licorice.
No, that's fine.
No, we're not gonna try anymore. I'm gonna scan this in so it can be on the website, so you can see better. Oh, we're gonna save all that for students. Hold on, I will open it for you. Hold on, okay?
Can we have one of those rich white chocolate?
I gotta give those to students.
The white chocolate looks so good.
I know. It's salted black licorice.
Oh. Yeah.